Hi guys! It's me, Miss Imperfect Vlogs. Samahan niyo ko sa paglalakbay or pag-uusapan natin ang mga bagay-bagay na issue ngayon sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Not only that, but we also have, first we'll be tackling about the issue of Duterte and Marcos, diba? So as we knew that in Duterte time, is na-fail dyan na to ang safety sa Pilipinas kay Duterte managed to clean the city in a safe way. So daghang mga drug lords, daghang mga drug addicts, pusher, and also drug owners ang nadakpan, and at the same time I know nga daghan ang nangamatay sa time ni Duterte tungod sa war on drugs. But on my end is I know nga naa sa mga tao nga napiktahan even though they are not part of it. And for those who are affected, I feel sorry about it. Yes, one of my, not one, but two of my siblings are also taking drugs. So whatever Duterte has been doing before is nag-support jud ko ana nganuman. Good man good siya in us, for all the Filipino who has the privilege to honor that kind of president in the Philippines. It's because kay dako siyang nahatag o dako siyang natabang sa Pilipinas. Though there will be say or makaingon ta nga naa siya'y part gihapon sa humanity. It's because guys sa time karon ni Marcos good mingon siya nga we fight for human lives, diba? We fight for human lives. Yes, we're there. We fight for human lives. But if you're gonna think about how many people or how many families died because of abusive husband or abusive family, why? It's because their own family or their own husband killed them because of drugs. Just recently this year or last year or even last year when the time na si Marcos na ang naglingkod, we may say yes, humanity is, we need humanity. But for those people who loses their lives because they was been killed by their own family, by their own husband, and the last news that I've received, one is a few months back more ago, is katong gi-rape niya ang ihang kaugalingon nga anak. It's just a month old, guys. So who do you think is doing the right thing? I know that there is no one of them has doing the right thing, but for me, in my own opinion, whatever Duterte did before was right. Why? It's because he wants all the Filipino young ones to be safe and to know that wherever they may go, they walk like they don't have to be scared more. It's because the country that they are living in is a safe country. So I think sa kamo nga mga basher about the Duterte or about the Duterte's family, it's because how they do these things, because nangawadan sa mga kinabuhi inyong pamilya. Come to think of it, your family also part of war on drugs. It's because they are also using drugs, and I also admit that because one of my, not one but two of my siblings are also using drugs, to be honest. And I even told them that if you don't want to stop using those kind of drugs, guys, I will not gonna say anything, but I think you better go to the police station as soon as possible so that, you know, actually it's a good thing nga nahitabo to siya kasi Duterte ang president nato kay daghan og bindot nga nahitabo, daghan mga na-stop og drugs. Yes, dili lang siguro nato makita, no, kay dili kaayo grabe ka showy si Duterte to show kung unsa ang iyang mga nahimo, no. So kasagaran ang mga nag-show sa social media about sa nahimo ni Duterte as is ang mga tao na nga maoy nakadawat or naka-experience the life of being, you know, free ka, wala kay kanang itago-taguan. So ingon ana siya kanindot, no. So sa karon nga time nga si Marcos na di ba? Daghan siya mga pasumbingay nga kailangan mo 20 na daw kuno ang kilo sa bugas. Sure ka? Mo 20 ang kilo sa bugas? Well, eventually wala jud nag 20 ang kilo sa bugas, di ba? The question is, usahay mag-speech ka. Kanang usahay mo lihis ka sa imong speech. I don't know kung sakto ba to imong gipang istorya or are you still on your state of your mind? Actually lang, maka-ask ko, there are instances nga na siya yung mga speech is muliko siya. Siguro dili lang ako ang nakabantay, no? Sorry for my voice. Siguro dili lang ako nakabantay, no? But there are most of the Filipinos that they also notice that there are some of his speech kay dili jud accurate ang iyang gipang istorya. So, nakaingon ko na I don't know how this kind of man won the presidency. It's because of the powers of Duterte, because he seek help from Duterte nga makadaog siya. And I know I accept myself that I voted him. It's because I thought that he is a good person and I thought that he can lead the Philippines into the right way, and he can lead the Philippines for a better future, for a brighter future for our young ones. But it was not that I am expected na mahitabo na siya na ingon ana dayang iyahang pamalakad sa Pilipinas. So based on the thing that I have been doing a survey is the reason why nga nakadaog siya is nanikamot siya makadaog siya para makagawas sila sa ilahang bayranan sa tax sa Pilipinas, kay knowing the fact that they wala jud sila magpay og tax sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pila na ka millions ang wala nila gibayaran nga tax sa Pilipinas, di ba? So ana siya nga naningkamot siya nga makadaog siya as a president. So I'm sorry to say this. I know nga ni-support ko nimo before, but now that nakakita na jud ko unsay true color nimo, labi na sa imong asawa nga I don't know kung unsa na ako siya pagsulti, but to be honest, kung bati man kog naw, mas bati siya naw. Sorry to say this, ha? Pero bati siya naw in a way of sense of bati siya batasan, to be honest lang. So dili naman siguro ako ang nag-comment og ingon ana towards sa yaha, pero grabe sad siya, di ba? Nakita man dili man ingon nga kana ang panganoy panagat rin akong istorya, no? But to be honest lang, there are a lot of kana ang news about her character, about her behavior in social media, on how she acts in front of the cameras. And I saw most of the videos is lain siya tanawon. Para lang nako as a first lady, no, dili man siya nga you have to be more kanang more, kanang elegant or whatever. But knowing the fact nga ikaw ang first lady niya, mag-attitude kag ingon ana like manghiyamid pa jud ka niya, maghirap-irap pa kasi imong mata. Unta na lang nadayonan kag pagkairap-irap dira sa imong mata, no. So man siya karon. Murag dili sa nga hatred nako or whatever whatnot. But para lang nako, panawagan lang nako ni Marcos, no. If you can hear this kind of panawagan, tarunga ang imong mga speech and tarunga ang imong mindset kung saan mo pagdala ang Pilipinas, not to think of other ways on saon pagkuha na sad ang kwarta sa Pilipinas, not ni other way nga unsaan mo paglingkod nga makalingkod kag 20 years. No way. I know the reason why nga nang imo ning gibuhat nga gipadala nimo si Duterte, or imo gipadakop si Duterte, ug imo siyang gipadala diretso dito sa Netherlands. It's because kay you are asking the people to do a people powers, but which I also do realize, because when Baste posting something about people powers, and there I enlighten my mind that it's true. If all the Filipino will start doing the people power, you will start the martial law. And once you will start the martial law, that means we have no right to vote. So which means that you will hold the Philippines for many years as what your father did. So I don't know how this radical things comes in my mind, because now I question myself, what does the historical book all about? So which means the book that all the teacher has been sharing about the history, all in there is not everything, the whole damn story there. No. There is a hidden story behind everything. It's just that wala lang ipagawas ang mga batik, no? Siguro ang mga batik sa pinaka mga tao nga gitawag na to heroes. So mao na siya. Nang makaingon ko nga, layo siya sa mga historical book. Kung ito idig ang historical book, kay wala siya as in gamay ra ang mga topic dito, katurang mga bayani-bayani, how did it comes this kind of way, yun sa tapag-colonize sa mga Espanya, di ba? And then how does the Marcos and how does the martial law happen, how does the people powers happen. But digging the story all there is wala jud naka-indicate ang tanan nga istorya about people power and martial law. So for those people and who wants to know more about our country, guys, try to ask someone nga nakaabot sa time ni Marcos Senior. Then you will know the story all about, kay sila mismo ang nakasaksi kung unsay nahitabo ato na time. Thank you so much for watching my video, and hope to see you soon, guys, and we'll talk about more and more issues in the Philippines. Bye. Thank you so much.